I'm gonna go the other side.
Oh, there's a stair going down there.
Ah, doon. O sige na, bumaba ka na. Para makita ka rito. Ang ganda po talaga dito sa Port Hook. Doon kami nagkape, oh. Sa Dreamer Cookies. Crazy Cookies.
Very cute.
That's Santa. Where's Santa? No, I think that was Patrick.
Nice.
That's SpongeBob. That's Patrick. Oh my God! No more.
There's Superman over there. See?
Oh no, Superman.
That's right. There's Superman.
Here.
Cool.
A glizzy.
Doon, maraming berries, oh. Hoy! Hoy! We're going down the river. Let's go, let's go. Going down the river. Ay, naku, madulas. How am I gonna go? Oh. I need to hold here. Ah, slippery. Dito na po ako sa river. Ganda ng mga bulaklak of wildflowers. Whoop! Whoop! Slippery. Slippery, mahal. Ay, okay. Wow. And look at the trees. Changing colors now. Wildflowers, see? Oh, naku, ang laki, namatay. Kawawa naman siya. It's so big. There, go, 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 go. Go, go. Oh, no, you can't do it. Ang laki niya, grabe. He can't go up. Yeah, go, 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 go. 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 Ah. Oh, he's gonna die like this. He's dead now. Swim faster. Do it faster. You need to do faster. Look at that one. Whoa, 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 whoa. can't make it too. Grabe. Go! Oh, yeah! The other one got it. Kailangan full brush yung swim niya. So he will be able to go up. Go, 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 go! Ah! Hindi na kaya. Paano nag-struggle? Masyado ba malakas yung alo na yan? Yeah? Amazing. Lalaki po ng salmon na yan, ha? Ganyan kalaki, oh. Namatay na lang sa pagod. Hindi na nakahinga sa akalangoy. Where? Oh, there you go. Tapos mahaba na naman yung tatakbo niya. So ano, let's go na. Oh, galing. Nakasampa siya. Galing. Diyan mas madali sila eh. Mag-abang ka dyan, mahal. Marami nakakalusot dyan. There's another one. Go, 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 go. Oy, naulog. Ang hirap ng maging salmon. Imagine, guys, you're gonna swim from down there.
That's not only down there. From
Down,
the lake.
down there.
The lake is over there, you know?
Yeah, from the lake.
Yes.
And then go jump every hill. Lahat ng tubig sasalubungin nyo. Oh. Go, 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 go. Go, go. Ay, nako, hindi na kaya. Ganyan po ang nangyayari pagka hindi sila naka-jump. Dedo. Hindi po nakakasawang panuorin ng mga salmon na nagliliparan. Tumatalon. Jump over this, tumatalubong na tubig. Wow! Oh, dalawa sila. Good. Ang gaganda po ng kulay ng puno, oh. Oh, there's another one. There's another one. Go, 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 go. Ang laki niya. Hindi na kaya. Go, go, go. Go. Ay, naku, bumagsak. Ang layo ng takbo niya. Balik na naman siya. Masyado po ako na-excite sa gawain ng mga salmon na to. Nakakapagod silang panoorin. Napapagod ako paglangoy nila. Parang gusto kong abutin na lang sila at ilagay doon sa ibabaw. Pwede ko bang gawin yun? Damputin ko na lang lahat sila at ilagay doon sa ibabaw. Salmon run! Mahaba itong video ko na to sa salmon run.
Kasi pag-upload niyan, mas Kikitali ka na naman, ah.
Wow, so pretty. Ang lalaki talaga ng mga puno dito, no? Yan po ang Garden Hills Farmers Market.
Nasaan?
Ang gaganda po ng puno, bilog na bilog.
Dixie. Tama. Wala naman tao pa siya.
Kaya nga, di magtingin-tingin lang. Oh, ganda. Wow, cool. Oh, may Christmas tree na. May po, Jesky. 3 for $10. Ang mahal mo ng tinda nun.
Ito.
Ano ba yung tinda nun? Yung ano yung...
Chopping board.
Oh, ang ganda. Honeybee.
Man cave, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, take care.
Nice. Aha, ganda. Beatles. That's it?
Not too much sugar.
Nasaan ka ngayon? Farmers Market?
Farmers Plaza.
Ang ganda oh. Sinimento lang nila yan, di ba? Wala na, that's it. Yan lang.
May makikita pa tayo.
Coffee company.
May mga ganito mahal doon, oh. Yung mga bini-bracelet mo. Ang ganda.
Yeah?
Nakamura.
Pickles.
Spread within 40 jobs. So Vienna for doing
Hindi ako bibili.
Ay,
Oh.
$4.
No, it's not $4.
Yeah,
Kainan ng ibon yan.
no, those one. It's $2.
$2.
Yeah. You wanna buy?
Sige, buy mo ko. Ayun o, yung kulay blue. Yung kulay blue. Tsaka yung red. Ayun eh.
On the way out of town.
Yeah.
Okay, dear, we'll go get your fudge.
Ayun yung blue na yun oh.
Big job on the go. Okay, we'll talk to you later then. Yeah, that's nice.
Hindi.
Ayaw ko na po.
Wag na. Kasi ano lang.
Huh?
So cute.
Yeah. So, bintahan mo sila mahal.
Hindi plastic lang naman. Hindi naman tunay. Hi. Nice earrings.
Well, the back of it is silver. Okay.
Building. Meron pong farmers market today. May mga table dito na upuan sa mga nagpipiknik. Ganda, no? Ang ganda po ng maple nut puno. Yes. So guys, this is it. Ito na po ang end ng aking second part of Port Hope Tour. So, see you again next time. Salamat po sa mga subscribers, viewers, and silent viewers. Hanggang sa muli, ito pang inyong lingkod. Liza Stable Official na nagsasabing magandang buhay. Mwah!